Healthy aging over 60. The food secrets to boost collagen and end joint pain. Are you tired of numb hands and shaky legs? Do your joints just not bend like they used to? Your body might be missing something important. And no, it's not an expensive pill or some high-tech therapy. The answer can be as simple as what's on your plate. A lot of people hear collagen and think it's only for beauty products or anti-aging creams. But once you hit 60, collagen becomes a whole different story. It's the stuff that keeps your joints stable, helps your nerves send signals the right way, and lets you move without pain holding you back. In this article, I'm going to share 8 tasty snacks that are naturally rich in collagen. These are snacks that can help calm that tingling in your hands, give your legs more strength, and help you feel like yourself again. They're easy to make, full of flavor, and backed by real science to support your joints, nerves, and energy as the years go by. Blank, _ blank. 1. Dark chocolate midnight clusters. Before we dive into how good they are for you, here's the #1 rule. Skip the candy bars. If it's packed with sugar, it's not doing your health any favors. Look for the darkest chocolate you can get. 70% to 85% cacao or more, and with as little sugar as possible. If you can find single origin on the label, even better. That usually means it's purer and richer in the nutrients your body actually needs. Dark chocolate is loaded with plant-based compounds, flavanols and proanthocyanidins, that work quietly inside you. They encourage your body to grow fresh stem cells, calm down inflammation, and shield your DNA from damage. This translates to healthier skin, joints that move more smoothly, and a better shot at staying active and independent as you get older. Dr. William Li, a well-known doctor and researcher who spent decades studying how food can repair the body, actually lists high cacao dark chocolate as one of his top picks for boosting collagen and supporting the body's own repair system. Once you've got the right chocolate, turning it into a collagen-friendly treat is simple. Melt about 1 ounce gently. Stir in a handful of roasted almonds and a teaspoon of dried goji berries. Spoon the mix onto a plate or into molds. Then let it cool until it firms up. The result? A chewy, rich bite that does far more than satisfy a craving. The chocolate gives you antioxidants to help your body recover. The almonds supply amino acids that support collagen production. The goji berries bring natural sweetness and vitamin C to help your body put those nutrients to work. Caution: high cacao chocolate is healthy in moderation, but it's still calorie-dense and can contain caffeine. Too much may cause jitteriness or affect sleep. If you have acid reflux or migraines, dark chocolate can sometimes make symptoms worse. Blank, _ blank. 2. Gelatin fruit nibbles. Your joints will thank you every single day. Most people only think of gelatin as a wobbly dessert, but it's actually a quiet powerhouse for your body. This simple food can support your joints, skin, and nerve health, benefits that become even more valuable with age. The reason? Gelatin is just collagen that's already been broken down, making it easy for your body to absorb and use right away. It's rich in amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the exact nutrients your system relies on to create fresh collagen and repair tissue. There's research to prove it. In one study, people who consumed gelatin before working out reported a 37% drop in joint pain over time. That kind of improvement can make daily activities like standing, walking, or bending noticeably easier. Making it into a snack is quick and doesn't require anything fancy. Heat 1 cup of unsweetened fruit juice. Cherry or pomegranate are great choices because they're packed with antioxidants, just until it starts steaming. Skip the boil. Stir in 2 tablespoons of plain powdered gelatin until dissolved. Then, mix in chopped nuts for healthy fats and fresh berries for a dose of vitamin C, which helps your body make the most of that collagen. Pour the mixture into small molds or a dish. Refrigerate until firm, and you'll have a soft, easy-to-chew treat that's gentle on the stomach but works hard behind the scenes. Feeding your joints, boosting mobility, and strengthening your skin and connective tissue. Caution: gelatin is generally safe. But if you have kidney problems or are on a low-protein diet, large amounts may not be suitable. Also, watch out for added sugars in fruit juices. Stick to unsweetened versions. Blank. Blank. 3. Chicken bone broth. At first glance, chicken bone broth might seem like just another bowl of soup. But for anyone over 60 dealing with stiff joints, tingling in the hands, or legs that don't feel as steady as they used to, it can be one of the most effective natural supports you can give your body. This warm, nourishing broth is loaded with collagen and amino acids like glycine and proline. These nutrients are key for rebuilding connective tissue, repairing cartilage, and even helping damaged nerves recover. When chicken bones are simmered slowly for hours, the collagen breaks down into a form your body can easily absorb, turning comfort food into real joint and nerve support. The best part is making it doesn't require anything fancy. Use leftover bones from a roasted chicken or wings. Place them in a large pot with water, a splash of vinegar, and chopped vegetables like onion, celery, and carrot. Let it cook gently for about 8 hours. After straining, pour the broth into jars or bowls. As it cools, it will set into a soft gel. Proof that you've captured all that collagen-rich goodness. When you're ready to enjoy it, warm up about half a cup. Then add a squeeze of lemon juice and a sprinkle of fresh parsley for extra flavor and nutrients. Just that small daily serving can help joints move more smoothly, ease that creaky feeling, and make walking or bending less uncomfortable. This broth gives your body the raw materials to start repairing the tissues that control movement and sensation. Caution: bone broth is nutrient-rich. But if you have high uric acid or gout, the purines in long-simmered broth could trigger flare-ups. Also, if you're watching your sodium intake, go easy on added salt. Blank. 4. Cantaloupe mint bites. When people think about collagen, they rarely think about vitamin C, but without enough of it, your body can't produce collagen at all. That's why something as simple as adding cantaloupe to your day can make a noticeable difference. Especially if you're over 60 and dealing with stiff joints or legs that feel unsteady. This sweet, refreshing melon is loaded with vitamin C, and just 1 cup provides roughly 2/3 of your daily requirement. That single serving helps jumpstart your body's collagen-making process, which can ease the tight, achy feeling in your knees, hips, or even fingers, making this snack as quick and enjoyable. Cut ripe cantaloupe into small, bite-sized cubes, perfect if chewing is sometimes a challenge. Drizzle with fresh lime juice for a tangy kick and extra antioxidants. Then toss in fresh mint leaves to cool and soothe the body. Finish with a sprinkle of chopped pistachios. They add healthy fats, fiber, and protein, all of which help reduce inflammation and keep joints well lubricated. Caution: cantaloupe is high in natural sugars, so diabetics should monitor portion sizes. Overripe melon can also cause digestive upset in sensitive individuals. Blank. 5. Tomato caprese salad snack. Some of the best foods for your body are the ones you probably already have in your kitchen. Take tomatoes. Simple, common, but packed with nutrients that support collagen production. They're rich in vitamin C, which your body must have to create new collagen. And lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects the collagen you already have. The result? Stronger joints, healthier skin, and less inflammation over time. Here's a fun fact: when tomatoes are cooked or gently warmed, your body can absorb even more lycopene. That's why pairing them with healthy fats turns this everyday fruit into a collagen-supporting powerhouse. One easy, delicious way to do that is with a caprese-style salad. Slice ripe, juicy tomatoes and layer them with something creamy and nourishing. Fresh mozzarella if you eat dairy, or cubes of avocado for a dairy-free twist. Drizzle on extra virgin olive oil, which helps your body soak up antioxidants. Then scatter fresh basil leaves over the top for flavor and digestive support. Let it sit for a few minutes so the flavors mingle. The result looks like something from a cafe menu, but it's quietly working behind the scenes, hydrating your body, fighting inflammation, and giving your tissues exactly what they need to repair and rebuild. Caution: tomatoes are acidic and may aggravate acid reflux or heartburn in some people. If you're limiting dairy, choose the avocado option instead of mozzarella. Blank, underscore, blank. 6. Guava Power Yogurt Bowl. Guava might not be the first fruit you think of for collagen support, but it deserves a top spot. This tropical fruit is one of the most concentrated sources of vitamin C you can eat. Just 100 grams of guava contains over 200 milligrams of vitamin C, several times more than an orange. Your body can't make collagen without it. So if you're running low, you might feel it in your joints, your skin, and even your nerve health. Achy knees, reduced leg strength, or that pins and needles feeling in your fingers can all be signs you're not getting enough. Pair guava with a protein-rich base like Greek yogurt, and you've got a snack that delivers everything your body needs to produce collagen and rebuild stronger tissues. Making it is quick. Chop fresh, ripe guava and stir it into a bowl of plain Greek yogurt. Add a drizzle of honey for sweetness, a squeeze of lime for extra vitamin C and brightness, and finish with chopped almonds or walnuts for healthy fats and minerals. This isn't just a refreshing treat. It's a nutrient-packed mix of antioxidants, amino acids, and collagen-friendly compounds that help fight inflammation, support tissue repair, and keep you flexible. Caution: guava is a vitamin C powerhouse, but in excess, it can cause diarrhea or bloating. If you're lactose intolerant, choose lactose-free or plant-based yogurt. Blank, underscore, blank. 7. Kiwi Crunch Snack. Eating just 2 or 3 kiwis a day can flood your body with vitamin C, a key nutrient your system relies on to make collagen. Collagen is what keeps your skin firm, your joints strong, and your nerves functioning properly. That's why adding more vitamin C-rich foods, like kiwi, can help reduce that tingling sensation in your hands and the weakness you might notice in your legs as you age. This snack couldn't be easier to prepare. Slice a fresh kiwi, then top it with a sprinkle of toasted almonds or walnuts. The nuts add crunch, healthy fats, and nutrients your body uses to repair and maintain tissues. Want a little extra kick? Add a pinch of chili flakes or a dash of sea salt. Not only does it boost flavor, but it can also help improve circulation and support nerve health. Caution: kiwi is acidic and may cause mouth irritation or allergic reactions in some individuals, especially those sensitive to latex. If you have kidney issues, be aware that kiwi is high in potassium. Blank, underscore, blank. 8. Pineapple Nut Bites. Pineapple has a secret weapon called bromelain, an enzyme that works deep in the body to calm inflammation. One of the main culprits behind joint pain and nerve stiffness as we get older. Pair that with pineapple's natural dose of vitamin C and you've got a powerful combination that helps your body repair itself faster and more effectively. Together, they support your joints and your nerves, easing discomfort so you can move with more freedom. The beauty of this snack is how simple it is. Chop fresh pineapple into bite-sized chunks and toss them with crunchy macadamia nuts or cashews. The nuts bring healthy fats and protein your body needs to rebuild tissue and keep energy levels steady. Want to make it even better? Sprinkle on a little cinnamon and fresh mint. Cinnamon not only adds warmth and flavor but can help regulate blood sugar and fight inflammation. while mint soothes digestion and leaves a refreshing finish. Caution: pineapple's bromelain is great for inflammation, but it can interact with blood thinners and certain antibiotics. Its acidity may also irritate mouth sores or sensitive stomachs. Blank. Blank. Final tip: moderation is key. Rotate these snacks rather than eating all of them in one day. And always listen to how your body responds. By giving your joints the support they need, keeping your nerves healthy, and feeding your body the raw materials to make more collagen, you're taking real steps toward feeling stronger, moving easier, and living more fully. The truth is, it's never too late to start. Whether you're in your 60s, 70s, or beyond, small, consistent changes in what you eat can lead to big improvements in how you feel. Your health isn't just about adding years to your life. It's about adding life to your years. And it can all start with something as simple as what's on your plate.